spots for people coming for a special spot for the movie. Just shooting here called the 202 factory. So that's the reason everybody here come down here as well. And I just here we go. And this is now the factory they become made it like a shopping center, very commercial here. So just take shots here. So many people hanging here for photo shoot. It's all the factory inside. So you can see that's all the factory. Eling Park 202 factory. Here, that's really the doorway here. Park. Kind of neat. Take a quick shot outside the door of factory. Interesting. They come up the鹅岭公园. It's a long walk up the hill, and it's just, but it's pretty. I don't know what this is about. I'm gonna keep on going. This is Chongqing. This is like basically like part of Hong Kong. It is a hill and a hill and a mountain and a hill. But it's pretty though, a little prevalent, it's a little lake underneath. You can see it, but I think I'm going up first, then come down here. At least you can see it. The bamboos everywhere for pandan, but this is not Chengdu, this is Chongqing. February 27, 2025, I'm in the Eling公园. You see all the little bamboos. I'm gonna keep on going up to the mountain though. It's really a pretty spot, pavilion, little lake. You can see the little lake, and that's a flower. Eling 公园. I'll take a selfie here. Eling 公园, February 27, 2025, Chongqing, Eling 公园. Very pretty. See the flowers? Wow, it's amazing, gorgeous. And almost top of the building, see some ping pong tables. 鹅岭书王杯茶罗汉图. I want to take a look at that. That's kind of really interesting. See that? 罗汉图. That's one of, take a look at 南宋是吧？加刘宋年代表作。这是 typical 四川bamboo chair, bamboo table. Everything bamboo. There's a little tea shop here. 树王. Oh, this is a very famous tree. They call the 树王, king of the tree. Amazing. You can see all the light rail there in the city. Very interesting. Almost like a pic of Hong Kong. But this is the Chongqing, China. It's kind of interesting. Between the building, there's a light rail there, and they cut the city. Light. Today is beautiful, sunny day. 18 Celsius. There's a cool spot here. I found between the building here. You can see the river. You can see the light rail go through the building. Light rail there, and the highway along the river. It is amazing. I don't know if the camera can see everything, but look at it. It's just really nice spot. You can see it. I go up one more time to the. Now I'm on top. Not a tip, but pretty much you can see city of Chongqing. Oh, now you can see the light rail go through it. Between those buildings. Oh, beautiful. It's like peak. 6 more floors on top of this all-load building. Now you can see this side, the bridge between another side of the river, the city. It's pretty cool though, both 3 sides, the city. On this side the bridge, on the river. Now you go through here, that's a bridge to another side of the river. And there's a bridge to another side of the river. Part of another city, a building there. So, take a look at how high I am, sort of like way on top of the peak. the beauty. Lots of walk, but it's beautiful, gorgeous. Yeah. 2 weeks. The second day have sunshine. I'm here just enjoying the sun here. It's just wonderful. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, on the top of the top. Take a little more shots here. Now you can see the river. The water much stronger current. It's pretty amazing. Here we go. That's symbolic of the name of the park called the Eling, tip of the Eling Beiji. That's kind of interesting. That's the palm tree, and they pick it up behind, and there's a beautiful tree there. Wow, that's amazing.